So my name is Alistair Parvin and I'm the co-founder of WikiHouse Foundation, and we're working on a platform called Buildx. Look at how digital innovation and the web can transform the way we build homes and neighbourhoods. And in a nutshell, our mission is to try and put the power to build sustainable homes into the hands of every single citizen and business on Earth eventually. Over the last few years we've been developing a technology called WikiHouse, which is a building technology that can be locally manufactured in a small factory, which uses something called a CNC machine, a digital fabrication machine. And so the Buildx project is about, if you like, building the platform, the operating system behind that distributed manufacturing model. So it's a web platform where you can go on, and it uses quite powerful automation tools to allow you to design a house. You can see exactly how much it's going to cost you, how the house is going to perform, and then it will allow you to connect with local small-scale digital fabricators and building companies to build a house for yourself, which is dramatically more affordable than buying a house from a developer. Every technology that we develop is open source, but we try to design each one to have a robust, resilient business model. Buildx will have a fairly straightforward business model, which is every time a company sells a product or a service through this supply chain platform, a little bit will be shared back both to the maintainers of the technologies and to keep the platform growing as well. And we developed the WikiHouse technology and just put the files online, and we were, shocked by how quickly teams around the world began to take it up and develop it. And I think Buildx is now taking that from just teams of architects and engineers through to the people who actually want to build homes. So it will scale, project by project in different places around Europe and hopefully eventually around the world. But of course digital platforms make it much, much easier to not so much scale as to spread, and that's kind of our objective. Social innovation is really, really, really important, and there's also a kind of layer of social innovation which I guess we would call systems innovation, which is the recognition that fundamentally a lot of the basic industrial or economic systems that we've relied upon for the 20th century are no longer working. And actually what's needed now is for us to start innovating and prototyping new versions or new ways that we can have better housing systems, better ways of investing in housing, etc. And I think that's really what we're trying to do is to find out what that future looks like by prototyping it and developing it along with partners across the public, private and third sector.